Comparing programming languages, C++ versus Python. A brief history. Python was created by Gerdio van Rossum and was first released in 1991. Python 2 was released in 2000, and Python 3, the most recent iteration, was released in 2008. C++, on the other hand, is much older. When Barjan Stroupup was working with the C language, he wanted to add object-oriented programming in 1983. The language was changed from C to C++, and it added many new features such as virtual functions and overload functions. Why would you use Python over C++, and why would you use C++ over Python? Python is good for calculations or statistics or most small surface level programs like data analysis or some sort of Excel program. But even for games, through programs like py.game, you can create games with Python. C++ is more for graphics and system BIOS and deeper level applications. The readability of each program is different comparing Python to C++. Python's design philosophy emphasizes readability and significant use of white space between code. It's spaced out and it's structured in a format which is easier for people to read. C++, on the other hand, is a lower level program and isn't seen as much by people. And it is less readable also because it was created earlier than Python, so readability wasn't as much as a factor back then as it is today. But its object-oriented approach does make it easier than spaghetti string programming, which was one of its innovations. Comparing the control structures, Python, for multiple if statements, we can use if, elif, and else, while in C++ there was only if and else statements, no elif statements. In C++, the control structure is a multi-way selection. Control structures compare a given value with a specific constant and then take action accordingly. Python does not support a case control structure. There are workarounds, but they are not natively built in like they are in C++. Applications. Python's applications include web and internet development, desktop GUI applications, and scientific and numeric applications. The uses of C++, on the other hand, are things like compilers, operating systems, browsers, graphics, and cloud and distribution systems. Thank you for watching this video comparing two very important programming languages in our modern world, Python and C++.